That's like something out of a movie. I can't believe that's what you make. Yeah. All right, let me go check it out. Eat it out. Well, the bar says it all. Waves. That's crazy. Morning. We're up. Time for breakfast. Day 2. We survived. Rough waters. The waters are horrible. Check it out for a quick second. I don't get seasick, but this is great. That's the current condition right now. Yeah, Whitecaps. Oh no, we can just get some breakfast. Right? My lanyard. What is it, Monday? The 12th? Right? Yeah. Monday the 12th, November 2024. Let's get some breakfast. Thank you. To get go. We're getting on this side anyways. Got to go up to 6. What side? 16.
That one.
All right.
I don't know.
It is but early in the morning right now, and there's no one here. We are like old. This is when you officially come old. There's just literally nobody here.
We would have probably still been sleeping if we didn't get that coffee.
Oh, the coffee guy. We got coffee. Jen ordered coffee for 7. It was really 6, but then he said we're Bermuda time. It's 7. Like, all right, we're up. Everything is closed. Everyone's sleeping because it was a hot mess yesterday. You know, it's first day of the cruise. Everyone gets old. We were in here yesterday. You wouldn't even know it. Except the lady playing the spoons. I got that.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, sure. Oh, you hear that? Whoa, 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 whoa. Shopping. Is it down here? I don't think it is. We're looking for Taste and Savior. I think it might be down by Oceans.
Alright, so we'll go down.
Yeah. Wow. I've never been up this early. This is fantastic. Isn't it? There's like no one here. No one to shuffle and huffle about. Yeah, see? No, it's got to be down one. You can't walk down a flight?
Oh.
Oh my God. She's getting old, kids. Who's she? The wife.
Morning.
Morning. Yeah, so Manhattan room. Of course, that's closed. It's got to be.
I wonder if they're open when it's too early.
You know, we'll see. Are there really people gambling at this time? Holy shit. Have some coffee and breakfast.
What?
Coffee and breakfast? They're gambling already. Honey, they're gambling. It's 6 in the morning. They probably didn't go to bed last night. Wow. We're looking for Taste and Savor. I don't know if we're going to get it. I thought it was at the back of the boat. Seriously. It might be down one more floor. We're lost. Is that right?
Yeah, it could be worse. We could be lost at home.
You want to ask the bartender guy? I think it's downstairs, one floor. We were never down on 6th yet.
Alright, so we'll go down another one. What do you just want to eat it upstairs?
Nah. I want like, I don't know. There's people up already.
You can sit down breakfast there.
Yeah, I know, but I'll get my morning walk. My exercise. I'm Shecky and you know it. One more floor down? That one, he's moving too slow. You know what? We've never been on them. That's why. Yep. We haven't been down here yet. Right? Starbucks duty. In the corner.
Yeah, it is.
Aha! What a good floor, though. We never went down here yesterday. That's why. No, we have. Oh, we have whatchamacallit tonight.
Where's that? Oh, that's
Yeah, this Black Bed in Manhattan room. Yeah, this is what it's all about, kids. Look at that. Ooh, I'm getting dizzy doing that. Steps. I've got the golden ticket. We got this on our last day. That's the French. Which one? Oh, Headliners is there, and it reaps over me around. Tapping ducky. Want some sake? Oh, look at the doggies. Yeah, the schnauzers. Yep. Jen's ready for mimosa and a Bloody Mary. What are you having, Jen? Bloody Mary?
No.
Yeah, you are.
Is it open? Oh, which one? Doesn't matter.
Huh?
Doesn't matter.
It's the same business. It's the same. Go to Save It. Tomorrow we'll go to Taste. Same crap. Same different story.
Miss Jennifer and Mr. Yes.
Yep. Savior. Morning, good morning. Oh, staff meeting over there. Savior. Thank you. I sit right next to you.
Any just for you this morning, man?
What do you want?
Yes, I want these.
I didn't take my thing. My phone. That's all right. That's breakfast. Date now. Because now it's on. Wait.
That's good.
That's gonna track me. I ordered food. I gotta brush my teeth. I have beauty mouth. Coffee mouth. 2 cups of coffee. No brushing teeth. Having breakfast. Rough weather. Good stuff. Got my OJ though. Coffee's good. Table 37. Orange juice, no vodka, or else check it out would have been shicing out. It won't fall, you see? It's gonna stay on me. I got, what do you got? Mushroom spinach omelet with a side of bacon. And I got French toast, side of scrambled eggs, bacon, and sausage. Let's see what it looks like. Watch it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Is there anything else I can get?
No, that's perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
What the? Honey, you know what that's like? The eggs you make. There's not one burnt thing on it. I love my little French toast. And I got a little scrambled eggs and bacon and sausage with my French toast. I mean, that's like something out of a movie. I can't believe that's what you make. Yeah. All right, let me go check it out, eat it out. That's the pool. Whoa. There's actually one person in that whole pool. That's how wavy it is. It's just wavy. It's like your own wave pool. Wow. That's rough. The windy out. There's a little smoker's corner. That's pretty rough out there. Good thing we're just gonna go back to the room and relax. Can't do nothing right now. We ate. Even smokestacks are blowing. Better have your seat legs on today, kids. That's just nuts. Well, the bar says it all, waves. That's crazy. How sloshy it looks. It's got its own white caps in it. Ugh. Yeah, I don't get seasick. All right. Wait for Jen and then we go back to our room. It's only day 2. Cloudy. Wavy. The pool has its own waves.